So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you latest important updates about Dogecoin, its price prediction, because since its launching, this meme coin did not make a massive pump. Even this meme coin was listed on all major centralized exchanges, including Binance, but still this meme coin is not pumped huge. So I think this can be the good buying price here. That maybe we can make a entry here and earn a good profit in short term and also in long term, because right now this meme coin is only 10% up in its all-time low. Okay, so right now we are nearly on its all-time low, so I think this price can be the good price for buying also. Okay, and its major exchange listing are already done. So in this video I will share you only its chart and its upcoming price prediction here. You can see dox is name $0.001 is current price, and this meme coin is working on Ton chain. Okay, not on Tron but on Ton chain. Okay, Telegram's Ton chain. And you can see 7 days performance here. In last 7 days price jumped by 3%. Last 14 days price jumped by 25%, because this meme coin was a free project. Okay, so those who and free dox coin, they have sell this meme coin. That's why its price is continuously dropping here, dumping here. But I think right now this meme coin is stable on this price, so maybe in coming days we can see a massive pump, and maybe dox can also break its all-time high and make a new all-time high here. Current market cap is more than $500 million, so this is awesome. $316 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is already an amazing thing here. 550 billion coin supply, almost on all in circulation. This is good. Working on Tone chain is I will show you. Okay, this is a dog theme meme coin. Okay, on Tone chain, so this is good. We are just 36% down only than soul time high, and only 10% up in soul time low, so coin has still not pump huge. So that's good. Okay, that in coming days we can see a massive pump in this meme coin price also. And you can see friends, this meme coin is already listed on almost all exchanges: Binance, Catch.io, MEXE, okay, KuCoin exchange. Almost all central exchanges has already listed this coin, so this is positive thing about this meme coin. If I say, you can see when I'm clicking on its 1 day chart, so its chart is totally flat here. You can see there's no many massive pump or massive dump here, so price is stable since it's launching. Okay, coin was initial launch with $0.001 price and make its all-time high on $0.0016. Okay, so it's still not a good performance by this meme coin, but definitely this meme coin is very amazing meme coin. Okay, and when this meme coin was launched, listed on all centralized exchanges, so it means coin is potential, not a scam or rugged coin. So I think in coming days we can see a massive pump in this coin price also, and then definitely this meme coin can also break its all-time high. You can see on MEX exchange $2.2 million USD trading volume for this meme coin, so this is good. You can also check out all further details. Okay, on central exchanges right now you can see buying orders are higher than the selling orders, so this is good and bullish sign for this meme coin. Okay, in daily volume, okay, buying orders are higher than selling orders, so this is positive sign for this meme coin. Then maybe we can see a massive hype, okay, a massive pump in coming days here. But friends, if we talk about next year mega bullion, okay, means after 12 to 15 months from now, so then definitely this meme coin has potential to kill both zeros and maybe reach $1 price here. No doubt, current market cap is $500 million here, but this meme coin has potential to maybe we can see its market cap up to 15 to $20 billion here. Oh, friends, it's really possible that we can see Dogecoin market cap up to $20 billion in this mega bullion, because already this meme coin is listed on too many central exchanges, and Tone chain is right now famous here, and Tone chain meme coins have massive hype right now. So I think in this mega bullion, because Tone chain and its all the meme coins are facing first bullion, so I think this meme coin can kill all these two zeros and reach $1 price here, and its market cap can reach 15 to 20 billion dollars here. I'm already holding this meme coin on coin exchange. So friends, what's your price prediction about meme coin? Do you think this meme coin will reach $1 in this mega bullion or not? You can must comment down below.